Hey everybody, I had to get into character. Yes, you'll know why any second. I hope everybody's having a good day. Ooh, and I hope my mustache stays on. I'm in the yacht. Y'all can see from the ocean, I'm in the yacht. Yes, yacht. Paparazzi paid me a lot of money to be in the yacht. Yes, I hope we don't have a tidal wave coming through. I hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you to everyone that continuously show love by viewing and liking my videos and making comments. I do appreciate it. Today I bring to you, this is store-bought pizza from Kroger. It was buy one, get one free. I am not sponsored by them. However, I'm going to eat this today. See the mustache? And on the back, it was a cutout mustache. So guess what? It's on my face. I am trying this pizza today, which is right here. Of course, I'm not going to eat all of this. I'm going to eat one slice and let you guys know how it is. This is pepperoni pizza, and pepperoni is also cooked on the bottom. And I'm going to try it with some KFC honey. And I have some lemon water, and I have some Frank's red hot sauce. This is very good, flavorful and spicy. All right, let's get started. Let's get a napkin. I'm gonna try it with some honey. How many of you guys tried it with honey? Tried pizza with honey? I'm gonna find out in a second how this is. Let me scoop this over. Ooh, I want this mustache being a way of me eating. You know, I forgot to say my grace. I usually say my grace before I press play. Amen. Uh-oh, honey. Let's take this off just for a second. I have to do my thumbnail. I always forget about that. It's not bad with honey. Yeah, some adding hot sauce. Yep, it's not bad. I should try it. Really good pizza too. Buy one, get one free at Kroger. Is it snowing where you guys live or raining? It was raining here earlier. But it stopped, so I decided to go get on the yacht and catch some sun rays. Loaded pan. It's not bad, though. It's not bad at all. I don't like too much tomato sauce. That's on any pizza. Like if I order from Pizza Hut or wherever, I tell them, right sauce. These go on the bottom of the pizza. Would y'all like a bite? It's really good. Mm-hmm. You know, some of my bling today. Some of my paparazzi jewelry. This is called the Karen. If you would like this sheet, it's $25. We have $5 pieces. And we have $25 pieces. I meant, yeah, I was right. $5.25. This is $25. Mm-hmm. Let me see if there's a lot of sauce in this one. Mm-hmm. I don't like a lot of sauce. You should put a splash of lemon in your water. It's good. It's good for you. Mm-hmm. Get up close. Can y'all see the necklace? It's like 3 in 1. It had a nice weight to it. You could dress this up or down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Honey, honey. And hot sauce. I love spicy. Absolutely. Mm-hmm. Love it. Yep. See? Pepperoni on the bottom. Mm-hmm. Yep. I probably won't eat it all. My appetite been a little. Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, this pizza really good. I ain't gonna stay on too long. Let me get back into character. Mm-hmm. It's a good pizza. Mm-mm. Got a little sauce on my mustache. Good pizza. Let me move the plate. This is it right here. You know, I got this from Kroger. It was buy one, get one free. Let me know if y'all try this or any other pizza with the honey. Let me know if you like it. It's pretty good. I hope everybody have a wonderful day. It's not a very long video. I just want to come on real quick and try the pizza out and see how everybody was doing. And if you eat hot sauce with your pizza, do you like this one or a different one? I like Texas Pete with garlic. That's a good one too. You should try it. Mm-hmm. Well, the yacht has slowed down. We're about to dock. Use your imagination, people. The sun is still shining. And the fishes are in the water. All kind of fish. Ooh. And the octopus. You can't see it way over there. Octopus. Anyway. Use your imagination like I do. All right, y'all. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Don't forget to be yourself 300. Oops. Keep it moving. 365 days. There's only one you. So be you. Nobody else. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.